Good evening to all. Today we are going to discuss regarding the disease condition schizophrenia. The meaning of schizophrenia is split of mind, and this is the term first used in 1912 a Swiss psychiatrist who is known as Eugene Bleuler. Under ICD-10 classification, the schizophrenia is dealing with the chapter F20 to 29. F20 to 29. Definition. It is a group of mental disorder which is characterized by psychotic features like distorted thought process, inability to trust others, and disturbed interpersonal relationship for at least 6 months. So the symptoms mainly distorted thought process, inability to trust others, and disturbed interpersonal relationship. And these symptoms with a duration of at least 6 months we can define it is as schizophrenia. Regarding the clinical features, we have two classification mainly. First one is primary. It is also known as fundamental symptom. Second one is secondary. It is also known as accessory symptoms. This primary symptoms is also known as Bleuler's 4 A's. It includes the first A, autistic thinking, the second one, affective incongruity, and the third one, association disturbances, and the fourth one is ambivalency. And regarding the secondary or accessory symptoms, abnormal motor behavior, including waxy flexibility, anergia, akathisia, stereotypic behavior, repetitive movement, echolalia, echopraxia, emotional disturbances, altered thought process like blocking, paranoia, magical thinking, delusions like grandiosity, persecution, somatic, etc. It also includes disorders of perception like illusion and hallucination. The common hallucinations are visual or auditory hallucination. Disorders of consciousness is also present, mainly the state of stupor. Disorders of insight. Regarding the insight is absent in case of schizophrenia. Going to the types. So mainly we are having 5 types of schizophrenia. First one is paranoid schizophrenia. Paranoid schizophrenia, it is the most common type, mainly deals with the delusion of persecution, jealousy, or grandeur. Hallucinations, especially auditory hallucination, is present in paranoid schizophrenia. The person with paranoid schizophrenia is highly suspiciousness, aggressiveness, and hostility may be present. Catatonic schizophrenia, the second one. Catatonic means related to psychomotor disturbances like waxy flexibility, echopraxia, etc. And mainly it's having some subtypes: stupor, excitement, and the mixed one. Third one is disorganized or hebephrenic, usually occur before the age of 25. Very poor prognosis when comparing to other types. Disorganized thought, speech, behavior, extreme social withdrawal, stereotypic behavior are the characteristic features of hebephrenic schizophrenia. And the fourth one is undifferentiated schizophrenia. Difficult to identify the specific type. It meets the criteria of more than one subtypes of schizophrenia. And the fifth one is residual schizophrenia. As the term itself, patient took treatment for schizophrenia in the past and has some residual symptoms like social isolation, impersonal hygiene, and inappropriate affect. Diagnosis, especially we can identify through the history collection and mental status examination, and also we are getting the help from clinical observation. Management, so we have to assess the physical needs of the patient and try maximum to fulfill. Don't make false promises that cannot be fulfilled. Mainly the pharmacological treatment is done by atypical antipsychotics and major tranquilizers, usually 8 to 12 ACT, mainly especially in case of catatonic stupor. And the psychological therapies like group therapy, behavioral therapy, cognitive therapy, family therapy, etc. And also nursing management. Thank you.